Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelina. Today for you I have something a little different. I've been had this interest for a while to try these international snacks from around the world. So I ordered a whole bunch and it'll be like a two-part because I just ordered so much that I don't want to eat these all in like one try. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to try a bunch of the stuff here that I have. So we have this. This is like a hot garlic. It says real garlic chips. I don't know where these are from. Oh, Philippines. Product of the Philippines. So I'll give these a shot. Wow. Oh, there we go. Okay, they're a little hard to open, but oh wow, you smell that garlic instantly, which like I'm not mad about because I love garlic. They look like that. They're good. It's like a corn snack. Um, that's what kind of texture I get. They're not really spicy. No, they just taste like corn snacks. But they're not bad. Definitely not bad. Yeah, it says fried corn. Yeah, no heat. Which is a little, well, disappointing, but it's not bad. The taste is kind of weak. So maybe like, there's a little spice coming through, but not very much. Okay. The next thing. How about we try these gummies, these peach gummy candies, and there's a product of Japan. Ooh, they smell like, when you open them, they smell like peach rings. Like, and they're individually wrapped so you could share. And they're very like gummy. The texture. Ooh. These are good. I like these. It says made with real fruit juice. Yeah. Those gummies are really good. So I do have soda. And I'm gonna give this one a try. It's lychee flavored. And I know that's a very popular flavor. So I figured I'd give it a shot. I've been wanting to try anything lychee flavored. So I decided I'm gonna try it. Okay. I think we just push the we just push it down like that. I think. Yep. There's like a marble in there. Sorry for my first time like figuring this stuff out. I haven't really ever done something like this before, so it doesn't smell like anything, but we'll give it a shot. I mean, it's not bad. I don't know. The flavor is interesting. It's not bad, it's just it's kind of sweet. And then like not so sweet, but it's not bad. It's not a bad, definitely not a bad flavor. I'm gonna go with something chocolatey. They're supposed to be these like little bits of chocolate with strawberry in the center. Oh, they smell really like a lot of strawberry. So they look like this. Oh, I took like a smaller bite so you can see the cream inside. Those are good. It's kind of like a biscuit. And then like you taste that chocolate and then like a light strawberry, which is good. A very interesting taste. What's it look like? Okay, moving on. How about some? These are a baked snack, and it was spicy barbecue. I'm not really sure where these are from. Looks like somewhere in the U.S., but you know, when I was going through, I was trying to looking for things, that were a little spicy, but like something something that I would actually try. Some of the other stuff flavors were really interesting, and since this is my first time, I'm like, let's just try something that I know that I might like don't go too over the top with some of the flavors. So ooh, it does smell like barbecue. It's a very, very thin stick. Ooh. So these actually have a lot of flavor. Sorry about that. I had to pause the video. My dogs were going nuts, so sorry if you heard some barking. Okay, so the thing, the flavor is actually really good and it's really strong. It says these pretzel snacks spicy barbecue snack sticks pack a tangy and smoky flavor from our favorite barbecue sauce with whole wheat flour. The delicious crunch snack delivers in 3 grams of fiber per serving. So yeah, these were actually had like a lot of flavor, so I like those. We have some Oreos with strawberry. Just like the packaging. Oh, I got this really cute little pan down there. And I was drinking a little bit more of the soda. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh, they're like really, really individual sets so you could share. So there's that. I smell that strawberry coming through. I'm gonna try to open it and see if I can better. Oh, it's like the inside. There's that pink cream, and some of it fell onto the floor as I tried to open it and show you. Not bad. A little on the drier side, but not bad. With that little bit, I feel like there could have been a little bit more cream inside, so there isn't really much. But, I mean, not awful. 2 more things. Take a drink again. It's weird. It has like a flowery, but like, I don't know. It's like hard to describe it. So next up we have these. These are like a roasted chicken wing, I believe. That's what these were. And these are Lay's. They're like Lay's with the ridges. I can't really remember a whole lot. Oh, you know what they smell like? It smells like ramen. Like the ramen you just get from like the roasted chicken ramen. That's basically what it smells like. There's ridges on there. Those are good. They're very interesting. You get like that roasted chicken flavor after the fact. Like it tastes like it was like a chicken was roasting with the flavor. And has a little bit of that like an aftertaste, but not a bad one. But like tasting this chicken, that's pretty interesting that it tastes pretty much like it said it would. It's definitely crunchy, so that was good. But there's no spice, but it's definitely an interesting flavor. And like I said, when I first smelled it, I got that smell of like ramen, but it doesn't taste like ramen. It just tastes like a roasted chicken flavor, which is pretty good. Okay, last thing. So this is actually my first time trying Pocky, and I know like Pocky is like a lot of people like it, and you could get it in America. It's round, and you could try different ones. But this one was really interesting to me because it was chocolate, with the almond crush, chocolate cream covered biscuit made with real almonds, and I thought that was interesting. So wanted to give that a shot. Oh, and they're like really pretty. There's like the packaging. You can see them. I'm gonna open and give it a shot. Looks like that. Oh, that is good. That is really good. That is some really good Pocky. It's like you're eating like a cone, like at the store. And you know how they have those ice cream cones in the freezer section? And they have like the chocolate on the outside and the vanilla ice cream and stuff. It gives that kind of texture, and the chocolate is really good. I definitely rate these pretty high. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think you would like and if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.